If you're looking for a way to strengthen your hamstrings, but you haven't got access to a lying leg curl or a seated leg curl, and something like a Romanian deadlift is hard to execute, I'm going to use this band and show you exactly how to strengthen your hamstrings. It's not going to aggravate your knees, it's not going to aggravate your lower back, and you're going to feel it instantly. If you haven't met yet, I'm Gavin. I co-own New Zealand's only fitness studio for people over the age of 40, and fitness coaching and personal training is what I do all day long. So you need something that you can balance on. You just need a pair of feet and a looped band like this. And if you are wondering where to get these kind of looped bands from, there's some links in the description, a really great affordable price. So come with me and I'll show you how to do this exercise. So in order to do this exercise, you're going to need something sturdy that you can lean against to help you with your balance, all right? And you're just going to need one of these bands and somewhere to do it. So the way we're going to do this is you're going to step on one side of the band, okay? And you're going to pull one side. And the other side, you're going to loop around your ankle like this. So from the side, it looks a bit like this, all right? Then you're going to use something to hold on to. I'm going to use this bench to keep my balance. And for the OGs of the channel, you may notice I've got a new bench and my flimsy chair is now gone. It's in the corner, okay? And by the way, if you are wondering where I got this bench from, there's a link in the description to Fed Fitness, okay? They are a great fitness brand for home-based equipment, okay? And this bench is in it. Actually, I really love this bench, so we're new best friends. So what you're going to do, you're going to grab the band on one side, one leg through, stand on the other side, okay? You're gonna take one leg back, okay? And you can see that the ball of my foot is now in line with the heel of my other foot. I'm gonna put some pressure on the top of this bench there. I'll keep my feet out and I'm gonna bend my leg backwards, okay? And straight away you feel the hamstring lighten up straight away, okay? This is quite a heavy band as well. And I'm gonna lower it back down to the start. And then I'm going to bring it back up again. Now, some key points I want you to think about. The legs kind of need to be aligned. If the leg is really far forward, you're not going to get much done. So by extending that back a little bit, we know the hamstrings like to extend the joint. And then you bend the leg, you're going to get way more done with that hamstring. Now, if the band you have is too heavy, you can release it a little bit. Okay, get a little bit longer. Do the same thing. And you can see I can get more range of movement with it, okay? So elastic bands are fantastic because you can adjust the intensity of the band just by making it longer or shorter, and I actually love that, okay? So in terms of reps and sets, you want to be doing about 12 to 15 reps each leg, okay? Then you want to rest about 30 seconds and you're going to repeat the 12 to 15 reps again, and you're going to repeat that 3 times. You should be doing this about 3 times a week for the best benefits. Now this exercise fits really well inside a full body strength program, and you have 2 options. You can either download a free strength guide. It's been downloaded 10,000 times. People are doing amazing with it. Or if you need something a little bit more robust, a little bit more in depth, okay, I've got something called the Strength Reset, and there's a link for that in the description too, okay? So pick the one you want to look at, grab the guide, and I know you're not going to be disappointed. Now you may be thinking, I've just strengthened my hamstrings, but how do I strengthen my glutes? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'm going to leave a video up in the top left-hand corner which breaks down how to strengthen your glutes. So head over to that video there, and I'll see you very shortly.